The next question, if Islam is the best religion, then why Christians are more in number than us? Mirza Wasif Zari from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Mirza asked the question, if Islam is the best religion, then why are Christians more in number? Point number one, those who are in the maximum number, those who are in majority are not always right. This is a wrong concept, that those who are in majority are always right. And that which is in large numbers correct. I can give you several examples. If you ask someone which is the best car available in the world, some may say Rolls Royce, some may say Bentley, but you know that the number of Rolls Royce in the world are very few. The number of Bentley are very few. The number of Maybach are very few. The largest company of cars that is sold is Toyota, and Toyota is not the best. It may be, it may not be. For knowing what is the best, you have to analyze the specifications. If you want to know which is the best car, you have to know what is the average of the car, what is the safety measures, what is the look of the car, what is it made of, what is the pickup, what is the horsepower, all these things. Then you can decide, not just who is using it maximum. And even a person using a Toyota will agree that Rolls Royce is better, but he would not want to spend that much money. He may not have the money, or he may not want to spend the money. He may have the money. Let me tell you, I do agree with you. People who fill the census form today in the world, maximum are Christian. They are close to 2.75 billion, and Muslims are about more than 2 billion in the world. So I do agree with you. But the people who practice religion, number one is Islam. Out of the 2 billion people, majority practice Islam. At least the main pillars. Alhamdulillah. Maybe 75% or maybe close. But in Christianity, there is a small, minute percentage. Maybe 5%, 10% who may be following the religion. They may fill the form. How many people go to church? How many people attend the services in the church? If you ask them, most of the Christians don't believe also Jesus is God. Most of the people don't believe in the teachings of the Bible. But yet, they fill the form and they say they're Christian because they have to mention a religion. So as far as following the religion is concerned, today in the world, the maximum religion that is followed is Islam and the Muslims. Surely more than 1 billion. But those people who claim are Christian, then according to a survey, inshallah in the next maybe 50 years, Islam will also overtake Christianity even in numbers in filling of census form. So the number which is maximum is not the best. The best is that which you have to see the criteria. So if you compare the Quran and if you compare the Bible, there is no doubt at all that if you compare it with the test of science or with logic or with reason, surely Quran will pass the test and the other scriptures of other religions will fail the test. So if you see which religion is practiced most in the world, it is Islam. And Alhamdulillah, Islam is the best religion. And Allah clearly says in Surah Al-Imran chapter 3 verse number 19, Inna Dina Inda Islam, the only religion acceptable in the sight of Allah is Islam.